Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle, any Ford vehicle guys, and you have a battery sensor, most of the Ford vehicles guys past 2011-12, they have battery sensor guys, battery current sensor. It's important thing for your charging system guys, and if yours is bad, and often you can break it, okay, if you replace the battery, took it to a shop, they didn't take care of it, they broke it, or sometimes the acid from the battery will damage them as well. We'll explain where it's located and how to replace it. Not very complicated procedure at all. Make sure guys you stay with us until the end. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you guys what we'll be doing here. We'll be working on a Ford Focus, but it will be about the same procedure for most Ford vehicles guys. Now, you need to locate your car battery. In our case, the battery is under this cover right here. And under this cover guys, all the way towards the back is our negative terminal. Okay, right there, negative terminal. This is positive. So what I'll do, always use gloves. Why I'm not using, I don't know, gloves and eye protection, because every time you touch the battery, around the battery, anything close, you may have acid, and there is some acid here guys that can actually irritate your skin and cause some damage to your skin as well, so, or eyes or anything like that. So you can guys really hurt yourself. Be careful. Get the negative terminal loose guys. Okay, I'm going to explain. There is only one nut that you get loose, and after, okay, you get it loose. Okay, we're going to pull it out. Okay, let me show you what it looks like now here. Okay, let's get up a little bit so I can show you. Okay, this is the nut that we get loose to get the terminal loose. Okay, now I'll recommend to disconnect your car battery all the way, because you don't want to touch negative and positive, something like that. Even though it's disconnected, always be careful. Next guys, that battery sensor, okay, you can disconnect that wire that detects the sensor and all that stuff, but the only way to remove it is actually to remove that ground bolt right here. You need to follow it and see where it takes it on your Ford vehicle guys. On most of them will be somewhere right here, not all of them of course, but you need to follow your cable and just to see where it takes you to. And after that, all we have to do, just go ahead and get it loose. If you need to buy a new sensor, we will have the link in the description of the video below to see where we purchased ours from. So, all we have to do, go ahead and remove the bolt, grab it, and this is your sensor assembly, okay, right there. That's how you guys remove it. So, putting it together, practically in reverse order we took it apart. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.